First of all, with the warm-up, we're going to simplify the exponential expressions. So first of all, number 1, we're going to multiply 3 times 4 and get 12. Oops, forgot my pen. 12x, and then you add your exponents. Don't forget this 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Number 2, 4 times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36. N to the 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. Number 3, 5 times 3 is 15. K to the, we add 2 sevenths plus 12 sevenths gives us 14 sevenths, which reduces to 2. So 15k squared. Number 4, we have 4k cubed quantity squared. There's a couple ways you could do that. I think the easiest way is just to go 4x cubed times another 4x cubed. 4 times 4 is 16. And 3 plus 3 for your exponents gives you 6. Number 5, I want to go ahead and show you kind of the shortcut way. So this is 5. This is going to be raised to the 4th power. So 5 times 5 is 25. Times another 25 is 625. Into the power, to a power, you multiply the power. So that would be to the 16th power. All right, let's take a look now. We're going to apply some of these exponent rules with some formulas. Just remember that perimeter means to add all the sides. Area of a rectangle would be length times width. The volume of a rectangular prism would be length times width times height. So on number 1, first of all, we have to hippity-hoppity. So that would be 4x minus 4. Then we have a 2x. Then we have an x plus 4. Then our hippity-hoppity, 5x plus 10. And then our 3x. So we have all the x's lined up. So 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and 7 and 5 is 12, and 12 and 3 make 15x. And then negative 4 and positive 4 cancel out. So that leaves us with just 10. Another way you could do this is just kind of go around the horn and combine. I'll do this in blue. So first of all, you're going to have to distribute that. So that would be 4x minus 4. And then distribute that. So that would be 5x plus 10. Okay? And so now you're going to have 3x plus 4x is 12x. There's a 14x, a 15x. Sorry, I think I just miscounted. 3 plus 4, I was trying to multiply. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9, 10, and then this 5x makes 15. And then we have our negative 4 and positive 4 cancel out, and then we just have plus 10. So either way you want to do it is fine. All right, number 2. So you're finding the perimeter. So 6m plus 2, 6m plus 2, 3n and 3n. So 6 and 6 is 12 and another 6. So that gives you 18n plus 4. So the perimeter is 18n plus 4. All right, let's take a look at number 3. Write the expression for the area. So remember, area is length times width. So that'll be basically 5x to the 4th times 2x. So 5 times 2 is 10. And don't forget, there's a 1 right there. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Number 4, 6n to the 5th times n cubed. So 6, basically the coefficient there is 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. N to the 5 plus 3 gives you 8. And then this is 6x times 2x. So 6 times 2 is 12. And x to the first gives you x squared. This is 4n cubed. Now, don't get confused and just multiply that by 4. Remember, it's just length times width. So 4n cubed times another 4n cubed. So 4 times 4 is 16. N to the 3 plus 3 is 6. All right. On 7 through 9, it says write the expression for the volume. So remember that the volume is length times width times height. So this is going to be 4n squared times n times 3n squared. So 4 times 3 is 12. N to the 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. And then this one's going to be 5x times 2x times x. So 5 times 2 is 10. And you have 1, 1, 1. So that'll be cubed. All right, and number 9, this is a cube. So a cube will have a length, a width, and a height, just like all the other ones. But the length, width, and height are going to be the same. So it'll be 5n squared times 5n squared times 5n squared. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125 n to the 6th power. All right, then it says using exponents with more formulas. Draw out the figure to the right of the problem. So write an expression that describes the area of a rectangle. So we're going to have the area of a rectangle. There's my rectangle. The length is 5x squared, and the width is 3x. So we're going to find the area. So that's going to be length times width. So 5x squared times 3x. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then 2 plus 1 gives you 3. So 15x cubed. And this is square inches. So it would be inches squared. All right, let's take a look at number 11. Write the expression, describe the area of a square in square centimeters with a side length of, so this is a square, and we have a side length of 4x cubed y to the 5th. So we're still finding the area, so that's length times width. So you're just going to go 4x cubed y to the 5th times another 4x cubed y to the 5th. So 4 times 4 is 16. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Y to the 5 plus 5 is 10. And this is in square centimeters. So centimeters squared. All right, number 12. Write an expression, describe the volume of a cube in cubic inches. Okay, so I'm not the best at drawing a cube, but I will give it a try. Oops, I went too far. Oh man, I'm just messing this up. Okay, that's good enough. All right, so 2x y to the 4th. So all sides are 2x y to the 4th. So that's going to be 2x y to the 4th times 2x y to the 4th times 2x y to the 4th. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. X, 1, 2, a 3. Y to the 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4 is 12. And then this will be cubic. What am I doing? Cubic inches, which is inches cubed. That's what I meant to write. Okay. Hope you understand that. Thanks. Bye.